Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This post myself Ajay. Hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 12 data binding working examples. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular 12 updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, on my screen you can see Angular 12 is working fine with one select box, disable button and text. Month is equal to January. So guys, first I will show you my first data binding example. See guys, here is my select options with month's value, and this I'm getting from my TS file. See guys, and guys, data binding is used to communicate between TS and HTML file. So guys, now I will show you how I did this. So guys, here is my app.communities file. Here I set one month array variable, and inside it I add some months. And here is my HTML file. Inside it I'm getting all months values. With this ng for let I of months, and here I'm getting my months value. See guys, this is called data binding. Also, you can see when I will change the month, then also here text is also changing. See guys, this is also called data binding, and I have done with ng model. See guys, here is my ng model attribute or ng directive. Ng model is equal to month name. Here in TS file, I have set month name is equal to January, and with data binding I'm calling it here to color bracket start and ends inside month name variable. Guys, it's very simple. I will show you one more data binding trick with NV model. Guys, I can say it is two-way binding. Look, month changes. Guys, have you seen data binding? And I will show you one more example. See guys, here you can see button with disabled attribute. Now I will enable it. August and button turns enable. Disable again. See guys. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, I will share 5 to 4 data binding example. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.